Alright, I'm in Dayton, Ohio at this electronics surplus everything store, and the aisles go on forever. This is the most, look, they got steel. Look at that motor. I'm on the 3rd floor of a building, and we are like at the endless supply. Look how big this building is. It goes the other way like forever. This is the motor area, apparently. I was in the electronics area. Cylinder. This place is amazing. I'll have to put in the description what this place is actually called, because quite frankly, I forgot. It is amazing. Breakers, I gotta get me a breaker while I'm here. Like $2.50 a breaker for the ones that are like 40 bucks online. Lights. Yeah, let's go back this back aisle. I got something fun I can show you. This thing back here looks like some sort of a high voltage, high power Triggertron device. I mean, this place is amazing. Stuff is fairly priced okay. It's not terrible. Here you go. What is that? Look at those power connectors. I mean, I think it's some sort of a SCR or Triggertron or something. It's got a connection here with an insulator and big huge nuts here, and then an insulator, and then this connection, insulator, and that connection. Dude, I have no idea what that is, but it's big and interesting. Look at this. It literally goes on forever, and this is one of 3 floors. There's 3 floors to this building. I'm in the back corner. I mean, it's amazing. Anyway, I'm here looking for something. Just happened to be here out and about trying to check stuff out. We needed a part. Somebody said, go here. I said, alright. Wow. Wow. That's all I got to say. They got an entire room of vacuum tubes and, I mean, endless supply of things. Pretty freaking amazing. I completely forgot the name of this place. But, yeah, it's insane. And they got these huge elevators that there's actually a person inside sitting down. There's a bench in there and you get to ride it. It's from 1920. This building is at least from 1920. Anyway, breakers. Where was I? I was over here somewhere. Breakers. Breakers. Here they are. Breakers. Breakers. Check out this. Check out this breaker right here. I bet I cannot even, yeah, no, I can't operate that. Oh, come on, one-handed. Nope, ain't happening. Anyway, I'm gonna find me a breaker. Thanks for watching. There's your random Sunday video. God bless you guys. Wow, I'm glad I don't live here. Oh my gosh, it's just endless. It's endless. I gotta go find some breakers. God bless. See you later. Bye-bye.